What's happening, guys? We are back driving my 2005 Highlander in this winter storm here. Whew. Before we go, I'm gonna take this out here. Oliver! Drive safe, buddy. Drive safe. Okay. Okay. That's my friend Oliver, my classmate from Automotives. Shout out to him. Nice guy. Look at that. Whew. It's like 27 degrees Fahrenheit here. Winter storm. We're just warming up the car. 3.3 liter V6, 230 horsepower, 242 pound-feet of torque. I'll show you the engine bay again. Here he is. Let's see how this is capable in the snowstorm here. Here's Oliver's pickup truck. So this is four-wheel drive. So let's see how this Highlander handles in the snow, as you already seen the previous video we watched. We're expecting to hit like 6 to 8 inches of snow or more up to tonight, and continues like till Thursday morning. You know what? Over here, we're just, while the car's warming up, let's clean up the side of the windows here. I bought a new microphone on Amazon. It's called Zoom H2N. I heard they have a good binaural, and Wide Room magazine, they recorded with the Zoom H2N to make a better, nice sound quality. So I bought it on Amazon for like, I think like $80, something like that. .5'9". I have a good enough leg room, and height's good. Cup holders. Really cold today. All right, guys, let's take this for a drive. Okay. His big truck, Oliver's truck. Shout out to Oliver once again. Love your truck. Old is still gold. Here it goes. You can hear a little turbo whistle there. I can do a donut here. Only I've done this last time. Oh, that's a perfect donut. That was fun. I prepare full gas, or whatever happens. Good. You can hear the slush. You can't even see the whole, can't even see that far. Zero visibility. Oh, hey, alright, here's the update, guys. I finally fixed the transmission fluid leak. There was a part that has been broken. I'll put the picture here. When I hit the throttle, sometimes the gear got really sticky. It's causing it's causing the transmission to not go so smooth. Then we go on Rock Auto. We ordered the parts for my Highlander. It came into my house well, no problem. Sent in the mechanic to fix the older part, replace the old part. Yeah, I tested her on the, and after that, oh, nice 4Runner. We tested her on the block to make sure like no leak or anything or whatever else, anything else. It turns out pretty good. And I'm still need to replace the old struts and sway bar stabilizer link. That's also need to replace. This way it's causing the vibrates so much when I hit like 40 or 40 plus miles per hour. Everybody's going slow. Make sure if you all preparing for the next winter storm, always always refill full gas, get some brush to wipe off the window and snow cover, so so we can prepare anything for the next in the future storms. Nice Fortune Tacoma. Slushing. Okay. With the ABS. Okay, so while we're here, I think this is okay to test. I think it's a good one to test ECT snow. So let me find this place to stop. All right. Okay, let's do it right here. Activate ECT. Here we go. Only starts in the second gear. Not first, second gear. It will help you reduce slipping. I highly recommend use ECT snow if you don't feel confident, if you feel gonna slip down on the road. To locate it, find the drive gear. It should be the bottom right there. It's running just fine. Okay, here's ECT on. Not too bad. No slip. Okay, I'm gonna turn off. Let's see how this will react without the ECT snow mode on. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, slipping here. Yeah, without snow mode on, it will start. The traction will go crazy with it. It's capable in the snow. Only in light and moderate snow, and heavy. Saw the GX460 drove by me there. Okay. No problem. Activated snow mode. Or ECT, whatever you like to call it. However you like to call it. Third gen 4Runner. Here we go. This is interesting. That's without snow mode. Once again, this is with ECT snow on. Here's how. Let's see how this react. Oh, gravity! Huge difference there. All right, one more time. How about this one? How about this one here? All right, on throttle. Yep, that's a big difference there. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this helps you and a good idea. Yeah. I hit the curb. I did not. Last one, then we're done. Alright, let's see. Hope there's enough slush. Maybe not. That's a fail. Got here. Nice 4Runner. Love your 4Runner, good sir or ma'am. Alright guys, this is it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video better idea was to like driving in the snow with this Highlander. Do me a favor, like and subscribe. That's it. Oh, what do we got here? Is that a GX 550? Nice. Nice GX. Nice GX 550. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.